following compound has 0 valent metal complex. So in the given options, you are supposed to find out which metal in the given complexes has 0 valency. That is, the oxidation state of the metal becomes equal to 0. So let's find that out. The first complex which is given is tetramine copper sulfate. The charge on copper, let it be X, because we have to find it out. Ammonia is a neutral ligand, so the charge will be 0. And sulfate, it is a counter ion with the charge is equal to -2. So X 4 times 0 is plus 0. -2 is equal to overall charge on the complex is equal to 0. That is X is equal to plus 2. So that means the copper in the complex has a charge of plus 2. So it is not 0 valent. The charge is there on the metal atom. The second one, Pt, NH3 twice, Cl twice. So the charge on metal be X, ammonia is a neutral ligand, chlorine is a ligand with the charge -1. So it would be X plus 2 times 0 is 0. 2 into -1 is -2, which is equal to 0. Here 2, this 2 and -1 I am multiplying. So X is equal to plus 2. So the charge on platinum in the complex would be plus 2. Again, it's a non-zero number. The third option, nickel tetracarbonyl. Charge on the nickel, let it be X, and the charge on the carbonyl would be 0, which acts as a ligand. So X into 4 times 0 is equal to 0, which is equal to 0. That means the charge on X is 0. Charge X is equal to 0. The charge on the nickel is 0. So you have to remember, in all the complexes where carbonyl acts as a ligand, the metal will have a charge of 0. The next complex which we have to find out is K3FeCN6. So here the charge on potassium would be +1, iron is X, and the cyanide is -1. So if you calculate +3 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0, or X is equal to +3. So that means the charge on Fe, that would be +3. So the answer is metal which is 0 valent is with the complex tetracarbonyl nickel.